The way I love to solve fraction to decimal problem is to make an equivalent fraction with a base 10 denominator. The reason is because you are using mental math skills and it's also fast. But sometimes we see fractions like 3 over 8, which is impossible to make a base 10 denominator because there is no way I can multiply 8 to get a denominator of 10 or 100. Also, 3 and 8 have no common factor to reduce it. That being said, we need a new way to solve this problem. Let me explain the method first with an easy fraction, 1 over 2. 1 over 2. We already know that as a decimal, this is 0.5, and I'm going to prove it with this new method. The fraction bar separating numerator and the denominator means divided by. So we read 1 over 2, which is 1/2, as 1 divided by 2. On the calculator, which we are going to check now, on the calculator, we see 1 divided by 2 as what? 0.5, and which is the decimal equivalent. You already know that this is correct, so you know that this method works. Now let's go back to 3 over 8. On the calculator, what do we get as a result for 3 over 8? Let's see. On the calculator, 3 divided by 8 gives us what? 0.375. Gives us 0.375 on the calculator. But what if you can't use calculator for whatever reason? Then you need to work it on a paper. So let's look at the long and the short division method to work out this problem. The long and the short division method. First, 3 over 8. Going by the long 3. So 8 to 3 no, 0 point, give 3 0. 8 to 30, how many times? 3. 3 times 8 will give us 24. 30 take away 24 will give us 6. Give 6 0. 8 to 6 will give you 7. 7 times 8 will give us 56. 60 take away 56 will give us 4. Give 4 0. 8 to 4 will give us what? 5. 5 times 8 will give us what? 40. So using the long division, we still get 0.375. Now let's look at the short division. This is how we do the short division. You bring out 8 and you put 3. 8 to 3 no. Give it a 0 point. Give 3 some zeros so that you can work with it. 8 to 30 is 3. 3 to 8 is 24. 24. 30 take away 24. 6. 8 to 60, 7. 7 to 8, 56. 60 take away 56, 4. 8 to 40, 5. 5 to 8, 40. So whichever method you use, either the long or the short on the paper, we have seen the results as being the same. So every fraction has a decimal equivalent that you can find using this method. Of course, it's faster by calculator, but if you have to, you could work it out on paper. And there's more to know. Sometimes, as you are doing division problem, you get stuck at a never-ending thread, like in this example. We have 5/9. Now, 5/9 means 5 divided by 9. Let's look at the result in our calculator. 5 divided by 9, and that gives us 0.55555. The 5 keeps going. Look at it, 0.555. Now, these are recurring digits in our answer. We don't keep on using these long streams of 5 that keeps coming up. Instead, we use some cool math notations to show the recurring digits. We put a dot over the first 5. We put a dot over the first 5, and we leave all the others off. That is, we just take 0.5. The dot is a better shortcut to show a recurring digit. It also shows you know exactly what you are doing, and it's way better than writing a load of 5s, as we see in this example. So when this crops up for you in a math problem, don't just write a thread of recurring numbers, just add the dots in the first digit and you are good to go. I want you to try out other examples for yourself in recurring numbers in any of the fractions you like to work with. Okay, that's all for this video. There is one little approach that we still need to cover. That's going to be in part 4. See you soon. Bye bye.